My name is Dawn, but a lot of you call me
Spice Dawn.
And this is Spice Colin. He is usually behind the camera, but today we have Angela behind the camera.
Yep.
And her husband James.
There he is.
Jude. And Simone. And my nephew Donovan. This is Donovan. So we're going to show you, because a lot of my bird friends ask this question, we're going to show you how to process live mealworms. See, they come from a mealworm factory, and you can get them. This particular place overnights them. They don't let you pick them up. You have to have your mealworms overnighted. This is where you're going to want to help. Because see how they kind of stick to the mesh? So you have to be real careful. Here, Simone, you can help. Take this piece of fabric, and you can zoom in here, Angela.
Oh, this is so cute.
Put your finger right here and hold this bag, but
Maybe
not
if
on
we-
the corner,
Yeah,
because
you
we
don't
got to let him get out.
Maybe if we talk to them and say it's a nice.
Can I touch storms?
Yes, we're just getting him out of the bag for
Come
now.
out of the bag.
In
Oh
fact,
my.
Oh, one moved. What?
yeah.
One moved. One moved. One moved. Hey, there was a mourning dove at your house.
I
saw
know,
mourning
she
dove?
knows all the birds. That's why they're here, because she's a little bird girl. Her brother and Donovan are medium bird guys, but not like 100% in like we are.
Mm-hmm.
But see, they come UPS, and then you put them in the refrigerator, because until you're ready to process them that same day,
He won't let go.
Then-
You work on him for a while.
what you want to do is keep them cool so they're not as active. Because now this little Klingon here, we're putting him in with his friends.
That's kind of like in Star Trek.
Kind
Klingons.
of. And we're going to put this here.
Oh my. Look at that.
I know. Now they eat the paper.
Oh.
Now the reason we do live mealworms is because orioles, bluebirds, things like that, they need the protein in their diet when they're nesting. So, I mean, you could do grape jelly and oranges and red grapes, but they'll disappear when they're nesting because they're out looking for all of the insects. So we give them a really nice little insect diet. So we
Quite
feed
a
our
bit there.
orioles every day, which is kind of the way to go. Would you cut this for me, Donovan? Just cut the bag right here. Oh, but
Don't cut the worms.
Yeah,
exactly.
Smart.
You are very smart. So hold this, and
It was impressive to
don't
hear
cut
her.
the worms.
It was impressive to hear Simone on Dawn's
I don't like the worms.
phone this morning. She was in your backyard. She was identifying different
Don't shake them
birds.
because they will get dizzy.
Yeah, it was. That's when I knew this was going to be a big hit tonight.
How old are you now, Simone?
Now you want to come over here and help tap the paper?
4. Wow. You are really, really
Just hold
smart.
this piece up, and if you see any on the back, just
Oh, there they
And
go.
if they jump, you have to pick them up with
There
your
they
fingers.
are.
yeah, you don't want to
Oh,
shake
my.
the wrong direction, because I'll tell you.
You want to shake it. You want to just tap it gentle.
Look at the worms.
Yep.
They'll
There's
start
all
flying.
the worms.
Do you have
Now,
it in
here's
your
a little
hand?
guy that needs a little help.
Dawn, I can't
I
pick
got- I
these
got
up,
a
and maybe
worm
with
on
your
me.
fingernails you can
Here, you
scoop
can
them
take
up.
care of the paper, and I'll scoop up. You get him?
Nope, he's over here.
Okay.
Oh.
Simone,
see if I can
can you
grab
get
this fella.
little guy? There you go.
You know they're
got
jumping
him,
like
yes.
jumping bees.
Oh, yes, they
Help
are.
Daddy. Simone,
Hey, bud.
what are you doing?
Pick this guy up. Can you get him? He's got
You've
fat
heard of
fingers.
herding cats? It's a
All right,
lot
put
like
him
Wow.
sweeping worms.
Yeah, give
Oh,
them
my.
for me. Give
And
them.
then hand me
Look at
one of
that.
the-
Oh, yeah, they're
Come
jumping.
in.
Look at that.
Good job.
Oh,
This is the box that they come in, breathable with the mesh.
Up.
So that,
Flying worms.
we got one slid onto the patio. That's okay, somebody will eat them later.
and what is that? What is the box? What does it say on it?
It says Bug Box.
Just a few more.
This is from Grubco, which has recently been renamed
one more.
called the Bug Company.
Hmm.
But
I don't see any.
we're going to be working with
That's everything.
10,000. That's 5,000 right there. But look, you can help again. This is the other 5,000.
Oh my.
Because all 10,000 fit in this pan. Like,
Wow.
they go by weight. They don't count them, I don't think. Do you think they count them? No. How about you? Do you think they count them?
Absolutely. By hand, one by one. They write little numbers on them on the side.
Like
Yeah.
I like the worms because I love them.
She loves the worms.
Well, I hope she likes the birds more.
You know you're going to feed these
Oh my.
To the birdies.
to the birdies, and they're going to be so happy.
The birdies are going to love you for this.
Oh, they are going to be so happy.
What about big worms?
Tappy tappy, tap tap tap. Go ahead and reach up in there. You got to
I want
look
to touch
closer
the
than I am.
worms.
Yeah.
I want to touch the worms.
Oh, you can. You just give it a minute here, sister. We're getting them off the paper.
I'm not a sister.
Okay, well, you're
You
Judd.
are a
You're
sister. You're Jude's sister.
Jude's sister. I have a friend named Judd. I apologize to Jude because Judd's like in his 40s. I've known him a long time.
Every once in a while, Jude acts like he's 40. So.
Okay, one more. Oh, two more pieces of
Three.
crumpled. Three
Oh.
more pieces of crumpled up paper.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
I like the worms.
I know.
That is a lot of worms.
Isn't
It does
this
seem like
fun?
a lot of worms. Wait until they warm up a little bit and they start rustling. Rustle, 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 rustle.
Like
Oh.
if you get them right when they come off the UPS truck, if you listen to them before you put them in the refrigerator, you can hear them crawling on
Ooh.
the
and,
paper.
and you
They
see
all
this
these
pile
little
of
holes.
worms, just all kind of worming, squiggling, and it's alive. And then, well, they are.
Oh.
Yeah. Any more on there?
Oh yeah.
This one's good.
Okay, good job. Donovan's in charge of paper, just like he is at
That's a
Christmas.
lot.
I want to touch the worms.
Oh, you may not want to.
I like the
Okay, up in there.
Here. Birdie's going to love that one. He's plump.
Don't eat it though. It's
Yeah.
for the birds.
You sure
You can
everybody
pet
washes
it.
their hands well?
Yes.
We
When
go
we go
back
in.
in the house. Yeah.
Hey, look at the worms.
Yeah, I know.
Take
Show
a look
your
at
mommy.
those worms
Mommy,
again.
Look at the worms.
Look at him. Oh, your bird friends are going to love you.
Oh,
They are going to love you.
it is quite
Wow.
amazing. Okay.
Look at that.
Now, this is the fun part
Wow.
where
You want
you
them in
get
one?
their bedding. Do you want to go get that? Donovan's going to get it, honey. Go ahead and go through.
Can you get that second
Still
jar?
has the word. Put it in
I'll get this first one and see if there's enough. Oh,
Okay.
Simone's got some worms in her hand.
one word.
Now this is wheat germ. This is their bedding. Okay.
Is that the food?
Open. That's part of their food. And woo, good job.
How did it? They could look at food. It's
They
a
are.
bobbin.
I know. And now wait till you see what happens next. The next step, and Simone can help. Did you see that?
Ready?
Do
You
it
take
again.
one part of the bucket and I'll take the other part.
Listen, I used to I used to be totally grossed out. I could not even look at the Duncraft catalog page. Like, I was like, oh, it would make me sick. Now I am touching and feeding live mealworms.
Think
Because
they'll
I know
fit?
the birds love them so much.
If it overflows like a cake, I don't know what we'll do.
We'll put icing on it and the
There-
birds will love it double.
There you go.
Oh, look at all the worms.
I know. And see, they're not slimy. They're just cool because they were in the refrigerator and they're smooth. They're not wet and slimy.
They're
You
hungry.
may not want to
But
touch
they
them.
are hungry. Now watch this part.
Let's
This is
give
the
them some
important part.
food.
They need moisture. So some people just put a carrot in there. Well, I think that the worms need more feeding stations. So we prefer to slice up the carrots to give more worms more opportunities to advance themselves to the bird snack position. So, in a healthy way. So, now you'll see one climb right on here. Like they love. Oh, you see he was already on there. They love it. It kind of looks like a casserole, doesn't it, Angela?
Yes. A very,
A very.
Creepy casserole.
maybe a Halloween casserole.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's black ones.
I know. Those are a little bit older. The black ones are.
Don't touch it.
Now we're going to give you a scoop.
Let him eat. Let him eat.
Okay, I'm going to go get a little scoop.
I'm gonna
Sounds right
There
there.
they are moving.
The worms are lava.
Well, dinner is served, kids. Go ahead, dig in.
Can I eat some?
Give you $1 to eat one.
No, don't eat it.
Okay, are you ready to feed the birds?
Yes.
We're going to get it. We're taking a little scoop of your worms to feed the birds.
Ooh.
Okay, we're gonna let your husband James carry the birds,
Ooh.
and we're going to walk over here
carry
to
the
the
birds.
feeding station.
I think a few of the birds already know that you are coming with that.
Oh, you know what? Would you go get the bell that is on my step? Real quick, run and get that little bell. We have a bell, and that is how you can train the birds to know that you're putting mealworms out.
Oh.
So, how cool is that? They used to call them bluebird bells. Except for, you can train them when they hear that. And then when you walk over, you want to keep it kind of like not ringing. Okay, you have one. Good girl. Okay, let's go this way.
I'm not gonna give it to you.
Oh, I hear. Mm-hmm.
I'm excited already.
They know.
Now it's going to be a little wet. Don't worry. Just rain.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
Became high. I mean, not that high, but not low. Okay, now watch this. Okay, now this has a little bit of rainwater in it, even though there's a baffle. So we're going to go ahead and dump them in.
All these.
Yep. You want to ring the bell? Ring, ring.
Hey, Bugs, come on.
There you go. That will let all the birdies that love the worms ring it some more. They might be next door or across the street.
All right, now let's
Okay,
walk
good
this way.
job. Good job. Here, you can put this one back. Thank you. Okay, that's the live mealworm experience. A lot of my birding friends ask how it goes down with live. We don't have any luck with dried mealworms. Kind of think of it as like a steak. Would you want a freeze-dried steak if you were a baby bird? Or would you want a nice little juicy steak if you were a baby bird? So this is much more digestible for the babies. So that's why we do live. Bye.